Hello everyone! Today, we're taking you on a step-by-step journey through our pyrolysis production line. We'll cover the entire process, making it easy to understand, even if you're new to pyrolysis. First, feedstock preparation. Before waste materials enter the pyrolysis reactor, they often require preparation to ensure optimal efficiency and pyrolysis results. For instance, with waste tires, we can remove steel wire and grind them into rubber powder. For plastics, shredding them into small pieces promotes uniform processing. Please note, this preparation stage is flexible and can be customized based on the raw material's condition and specific pyrolysis technology requirements. Next is the feeding system. Once the feedstock is prepared, it's fed into the reactor. Our pyrolysis plants utilize a range of feeding systems, including screw conveyors and hopper systems, designed to handle diverse materials efficiently. Manual feeding is also a viable option. Now, for the core of the process, the pyrolysis reactor. This is where the transformation occurs. We heat the feedstock to temperatures ranging from 300 to 600 degrees Celsius in an oxygen-free environment. You have options for heating methods and fuels. As the temperature rises, the organic materials undergo thermal decomposition, the pyrolysis reaction. Following pyrolysis, we move to product separation. The reactor outputs a mixture of gas, liquid, and solid byproducts. In the condenser, the vapors are cooled, separating the liquid pyrolysis oil from non-condensable gases. Pyrolysis oil will be condensed into liquid fuel oil and collected in the oil tank. As for the non-condensable gases, these gases are then recycled to fuel the reactor. It significantly enhances energy efficiency and saves the pyrolysis machine operation cost. Simultaneously, solid residues, such as carbon black, are collected from the bottom and transported to the residue outlet. Our production line is equipped with advanced environmental protection systems designed to purify exhaust gases, ensuring compliance with global EIA standards. Safety and efficiency are paramount and are integrated into every stage of our process. Each component of the Doing pyrolysis production line is precisely engineered and optimized for smooth, reliable operation. The best part? Henan Doing Company specializes in customizing each process to perfectly match your specific needs. Whether your goal is maximum efficiency or a strategic investment, we'll design the ideal pyrolysis plant solution for you. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll explore these details even further.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.